So we're gonna look at how to use the punctuation mark in English. So when you look at the sentences we have Saddam Hussein, Gaddafi, Fidel Castro, and President Bush were great politicians. Adolf Hitler, Joseph Stalin, Churchill, and Charles de Gaulle are amazing political leaders. Martin Luther and John Calvin were great theologians. So when you take a look, just take a look. So we have here Saddam Hussein, period. This one, okay. Gaddafi, period here. Fidel Castro, period here. And you're gonna see here we have and President Bush were great politicians, okay, period at the end here, okay. Now Adolf Hitler, comma, Joseph Stalin, comma, Churchill, comma, and Charles de Gaulle are amazing political leaders. You're gonna see we have a period at the end here, okay. Now we have Martin Luther and John Calvin were the great theologian. And you're gonna see here we got the period. Here we don't have a comma. Okay. Now the next one we have Patrice Lumumba, comma, Martin Luther King, we got comma, Malcolm X, we got comma, and Thomas Sankara are great leaders. And we got the period at the end. Okay. We got Eazy-E, comma, Tupac, comma, Biggie, comma, Nas, comma, Eminem, comma, Jay-Z, comma, and 50 Cent are American rappers. And then period at the end. Okay. We have Ice Cube, comma, Snoop Dogg, comma, and Dr. Dre. You see here we have like a period here. We use also period when we have abbreviation there. Dr. Dre have intelligence and wisdom. Some of you may say then, why do we use comma? Why do we use period? Why do we use quotation mark? Why do we use a hyphen? My friends, I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. This video, I just wanna show you guys and pay attention. If you don't understand, it's my job. I'm here to help you. So I'm gonna go with you guys step by step. Okay? So when you have two nouns, for example, I say Amy and Steve are going or will travel. So I don't need to use comma there. No. If I say Amy, comma, Abby, comma, and Pindi will travel, blah, blah, blah. Okay? But it depends on situation. Okay? How we use them. We come here. Sarah finished reading the Bible. She need to write the notes. Now, Sarah finished reading the Bible, comma. She needs to write the notes. Okay? The notes. Okay? Sarah finished reading the Bible, needs to write the notes. When you take a look here, there's a problem. In this one, there's a problem. Some of them is like a complete sentence. It's a simple sentence. Nothing's wrong with them. But when you take a look, there's a mistake. For example, here we put the comma, and here we have a capital letter. You see here, there's a problem. There's a problem here. We have to fix it. There's also a problem here. We have to fix it. So this one we can not the top one, but this one are wrong. Okay. So we're gonna fix it. The top one is okay. We can deal with it. It's okay, but this one are wrong. So we have to fix it. Okay. So we come here. Now this is how we write it. Sarah finished reading the Bible, and then we put. You see this one? So Sarah finished reading the Bible. I'm not using hyphen, no. Okay, semicolon. However, comma, she needs to write the notice. So take a look here. You see here? And then however, and then we put a comma in front of it. She needs to write the notice. Okay, the notes. So we come here. Abby and Steve went to the zoo. The lions were happy to see them. If you take a look here, it's okay, nothing's wrong with this, but we want to combine this together. Abby and Steve went to the zoo, comma, and the lions were happy to see them. There's a problem here. Abby and Steve went to the zoo, hyphen, the lions were happy to see them. So wrong. We can deal with the top one is okay, but wrong. So we have to fix it, okay? We come here. Abby and Steve went to the zoo, comma, and the lion were happy to see them. So don't forget when you pronounce these lines. So you know, like the Lion King, okay? But in this case, I'm not talking about the Lion King. Just to give you guys an example. Abby and Steve went to the zoo, and the lions were happy to see them. So here we have a comma and okay. Now we have here Sarah has visited Kinshasa, Congo, Paris, France, Tokyo, Japan, Niagara Falls, Ontario, Montreal, Quebec, Kalamazoo, Michigan. So when you take a look, it doesn't look that. Just take a look. Take a look. Take a look yourself. Sarah has visited Kinshasa, Congo. So Sarah has visited Kinshasa, Congo, Paris, France, Tokyo, Japan, Niagara Falls, Ontario, Montreal, Quebec, and Kalamazoo, Michigan. There's a problem. We have to fix it. That's not the way of writing it. So if we say, for example, let's see, if we say Sarah has visit Kinshasa, Congo, and here we put like semicolon there, Paris, France, semicolon, Tokyo, Japan, semicolon, Niagara Falls, Ontario, semicolon, we put Montreal, Quebec, semicolon, and Kalamazoo, Michigan. Yes, that's gonna make a lot of sense. Okay, so the right way of writing it, this is how we write it. Sarah has visited Kinshasa, Congo. Now you're gonna see here semicolon there. Paris, France. So pay attention here. Pay attention here. Okay. Sarah has finished a visit Kinshasa, Congo. You see here with the comma and semicolon on the end. Paris, France. Look at here. Semicolon. Tokyo, Japan. Look at here. Okay. Niagara Falls, Ontario. Look at that. Montreal, Quebec. Look at here. And Kalamazoo, Michigan. That's how you write it. Okay. So in case, let's say we want to add London, England, it's going to be same thing. So if we want to add London, Ontario, London, England, so what we have to do, we're going to put like this. London. Okay. London. UK. Okay, semicolon, and Kalamazoo, Michigan. Or if we want to, we can also add, let's say, if I want, let's say, for example, I want to add, let's say, Paul visits, let's say, Paul, and let's put like this. Let's put Kevin and Abby have visit, let's see, Kigali, Rwanda. Okay, put like that. Let's see, Kinshasa. Okay, Congo. Let's see, Congo. Okay. Let's put something else. Let's put Rwanda, Angola. Okay. And let's see. Okay. So Amy, my cousin, is coming to the party. Take a look. Amy, comma, my cousin is coming to the party. Amy, my cousin, hyphen, is coming to the party. We have like an emphasis there. Amy, my cousin, comma, is coming to the wedding. There's a problem. Now we have to fix that problem. Okay? Just take a look. Amy, my cousin, is coming to the party. Okay? So if we want to, we can change this. If we want, we can say to the party. Okay? Yeah. So yeah, we can just change this to the party. So we can just put Amy, my cousin, hyphen, is coming to the party. Amy, parenthesis, we put my cousin is coming to the party. We got a problem there. Okay, so now we're gonna fix it. So when you take a look here, we have Amy, okay, comma, my cousin is coming to the party. Amy, my cousin, is coming to the party. It sounds like two person there, but don't get confused. Okay? It's not like there's two person there. No. Amy, my cousin, is coming to the party. So it's like Amy's my cousin. Okay? Now I'm talking about Amy. Amy's my cousin. I'm saying that Amy, comma, my cousin, Amy's my cousin, is coming to the party. Now, Amy, okay, if you take a look here, there's no comma. It's correct, this one. Amy, comma, my cousin, comma, is coming to the party. Yeah. Amy, I put hyphen, my cousin, hyphen, is coming to the party. Yeah, because here we it's like emphasize something like that. That's why I end up putting this. Okay, so it's correct. Amy. So you see, this Amy is my cousin. So I can't just say my cousin is coming to the party. That's it. But if I say my Amy is coming to the party. So I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't understand, please email me or contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.